In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a Vive Financial credit increase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to provide, and what to expect after you submit your request. First, sign into your Vive Financial account using the website or mobile app. Use a secure connection, and if you're on a public network, consider waiting until you're on a trusted Wi-Fi or cellular connection. If you need to recover your login, use the standard account recovery prompts. Once you're in, make sure your profile details are up to date so the process goes smoothly. Next, head to your account settings. This area might appear as profile, account, or settings depending on your device. Look for an option related to credit or card management, and then find the link or button to request a credit limit increase. If you don't see it right away, try expanding menu sections or checking the card details page within settings. Now, provide your updated information. This is where accuracy matters. You'll typically be asked for current annual income, employment status, monthly housing payment, and your contact details. Include all verifiable sources of income you regularly receive, and make sure your address and phone number are correct. Lenders use these details to assess affordability, so keep everything honest and consistent with your documentation. You may see a disclosure about a credit review. Depending on the policy at the time, this can be a soft inquiry or a hard inquiry. Read the on-screen notice so you know what to expect before you proceed. When you're ready, review everything carefully and submit the request. Some forms let you specify the increase amount you're seeking. If you don't see that field, the issuer will evaluate and decide an amount for you. Double check that your numbers are entered correctly, then confirm and send. Keep notifications enabled so you don't miss any messages about your request. Finally, wait for a decision. Many requests receive an instant or same-day response, while others may take a few business days if a manual review is needed. You'll typically be notified in your account and by email. If approved, you'll see the new limit reflected in your account details. If your request isn't approved, you should receive a notice explaining key reasons, such as recent account history or credit factors. Use that information to strengthen your profile for a future attempt by making on-time payments, keeping balances low, and ensuring your income information stays current. That's it. Log in, go to settings, provide accurate updates, submit, and watch for a decision. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your credit increase request.